Hi everyone, it's Nora Villarreal again, and I just wanted to give you a quick video tutorial about how groups work in Blackboard, just in case you're not familiar with it. So for our peer review process, which you'll begin in week 2 and complete in week 3, you're going to be working in small groups of 3. And again, I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse at what it looks like in case the directions were confusing to you at all. So when you're ready to start working on the peer review, you're going to be in your week 2 folder. And you'll notice here where your rough draft is due, it says that it needs to be posted to 2 places. So you'll post your rough draft first to the assignment below titled Rough Draft, and you're also going to post it to your group's file exchange. So I can scroll down a little bit. Here's the first place I'm going to post my rough draft, to the assignment that's titled Rough Draft. But I also need to post it to the file exchange, okay? This one will send it to me, to Mrs. Villarreal, so that I can grade it for you. This one is going to allow you to share this file with the members of your groups, who you can see right here I have laid out for you, okay? So again, in case you haven't used the group function in Blackboard before, here's what it looks like. Now these directions are also written right here for you, but again, I thought it might be easier for some of you to actually see what it's going to look like. Okay, so I'm ready to exchange my file with my partners. So I'm going to click Peer Review File Exchange. I'm going to enter whichever group I saw my name under in the previous posting. So let's pretend I'm in Group 1. And I can double check that I'm in the correct group by looking at the group member names right here. Then below, I see a number of group tools listed, okay? So the one I'm going to use is the one labeled File Exchange, and it does just what it sounds like. It allows you to add a file to the exchange, and then your partners will be able to find it here to be able to read it. So you'll just upload your file as usual. You'll click Add File, and then you'll simply browse, find wherever you had that file saved, and go ahead and upload it. Okay? So now when you're ready to read your partner's essays, you're going to come back to the same place, back to the file exchange, and as long as they have posted their files on time, you'll find them here and be able to read their essays for the first part of the peer review assignment. Okay? So that's the first portion. That's what you're going to do in week 2. Now in week 3 is when you're actually going to complete the peer review. Now the week 3 folder is not available to you yet, but once it is, it's going to look something like this. So when you're ready to complete the second half of the peer review, which is, of course, sending your comments to your partners, here's how you'll do that. So you'll find the peer review link. You might need to remind yourself again of what group you're in, so I have them posted right here for you. And it's the same idea, but this time, instead of using the file exchange, we're going to use the discussion board, because in a peer review, we discuss our essays, so we're going to use the discussion board to do so. So again, I'll just click the title of the assignment. I'll find whichever group it was that I was in for my peer review, and again, I can double check here to make sure I've entered the right place. Now this time, I'm going to click on Group Discussion Board. Remember, we use the file exchange in week 2 to send our essays to each other. Now we're going to go to the group discussion board. Okay? Here's your directions. It says you're going to enter the forum to the left to enter. You will find the threads titled with the names of your peer review partners, the other 2 people who are in your group. And you'll reply to those threads with your comments on his or her essay. Okay? And then again, you can come back here once the due date has passed. You can find the thread titled with your own name, and then you'll be able to read the comments that your partners have made on your essay. So I'll just give you a quick glimpse at what it looks like. So again, I would just click here, and let's pretend that I'm Amanda. So I'm going to be commenting on Len and Danielle's threads. I'll just choose whichever name I'm responding to. I'm going to click Reply to this thread right here. And in this space is where I'm going to paste my comments from the peer review assignment. So again, all those directions are written out for you sort of word for word in the assignments themselves, but in case this screencast might be easier for some of you, I hope it was helpful. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.